Hi friends,
welcome to our channel
Asia for India.
मैं Benita.
And I'm Neha, and this is day 4 of Bekin. Day 4 नहीं, sorry, day 3. मेरा हिसाब किताब गड़बड़ होगा. This is day 3 of Bekin, and Benita, what are you expecting? क्योंकि मैं
आप क्या दिखाना चाहते हो?
मैं जो दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि अब मेरे पास है कंट्रोल. So we are watching Love Again. This is a live performance, and this was part of his second album, Candy. So this is one of the songs, and this is a live video. And I've heard the song. I've never seen this video though. So this would be my first time watching the video, but I've heard the song. So I've heard the entire Candy, and not the Candy. The album is called Delight. So I've heard Delight and City Lights, both the albums completely. I've also heard Bambi. So I've heard all the music, but I've never seen this video. So are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get started. Please forgive the noise. There's some construction going on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Picture.
Finally, we are starting. 1, 2, 3. That's what I feel like.
ये शॉर्ट है.
ये ऐसे ना.
थिएटर है.
हाँ. लाइव देखिए कैसे. Sorry.
사랑의 race 끝날 수 없게 돼. 지금 돌아서면 다시 돌아갈 수 없다고 해. 다시 한번 내게 말해줘. 나를 사랑한다고 해줘. Don't leave me alone baby. Just live for the night baby. Yeah. 날 떠나지 않겠다고 말해줘. Tell me you love again. Come back to me again. Tell me you love again.
पीछे कलर चेंज हो रहे हैं ना.
Come back to me again. Yeah. 떨려 노래 전부 난 제자리고 I still love you. 너가 채워주던 내 모든 것들이 다 써봤지 벌은 그 기억도 가득해 전부 여전히 나는 그대로인데 이해가 안돼 마음으로는 왜 널 사랑한다 해놓고도 도망치려 해. 우리 사랑의 race 끝날 수 없게 돼. 지금 돌아서면 다시 돌아갈 수 없다고 해. 다시 한번 내게 말해줘. 나를 사랑한다고 해줘. Don't leave me alone baby. Just live for the night baby. Yeah. 날 떠나지 않겠다고 말해줘. Tell me you love again. Come back to me again. Over again. Oh, yeah. Come back to me again. Hey. Da 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 da. Hey, hey. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
So love again, that's love again for you. मैं बेक्यून को कहना चाहूंगी कि आई कैन नॉट लव यू अगेन बिकॉज मैं कभी खत्म ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी प्यार करना यार, बहुत ही मुश्किल है. बट आई थिंक इतना मतलब what was most impressive about is that he has got great presence. मतलब वो स्क्रीन पे कुछ नहीं कर रहा, सिर्फ गाना गा रहा है, but he makes it enjoyable for you to watch it as well. Which is something I think which has come through experience because of his stage experience. And matlab I have heard the song because I've heard the album, so I know the song already, but when he's doing it live, he brings in something extra to the song compared to the recorded version. I feel there's probably because of the visual interaction he's able
भी बहुत अच्छी थी. ऐसे गया पर ऐसे आया
है ना. मतलब Baekhyun की आवाज. And there was this line wherein come again and he says again in several different ways, and his tone and his voice quality also changes in the sense एक टाइम पे उसकी आवाज पतली होती है, एक टाइम पे थोड़ी भारी हो जाती है, becomes more manly and more it has an echo to the words, and then it again changes and keeps saying the same thing but in different ways. And matlab come again towards the end, that's what he's saying, come back to me again ऐसे करके कुछ है. Subtitles were off, so I'm pretty sure it's some like come again, and it's all different. And he showcases so many layers. Or another thing that I like about how he performs is sometimes there is a backtrack, right? Some parts का backtrack होता है, and he never lip syncs to that. मतलब वो ऐसे दिखाता नहीं कि he's singing because he's layering. So आप दो गाने इकट्ठे थोड़ी गा सकते हो. रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियो में तो हाँ आप 2 बार रिकॉर्ड कर लोगे और फिर लेयर हो जाएगा. So he makes sure that he moves away from the mics and shows you that this is a recorded part which is going to play, and then he shows you what he is singing live. And that is something that I've seen a UN Village live performance, because UN Village has a lot of those vocals wherein vocals are layered over vocals. So जब वो होता है, he makes sure that he doesn't pretend to be singing. He moves away from the mic and he lets you know, okay, that this part is recorded and now this is the ad-lib or this is the part that I'm going to sing over it. And that is something very impressive. I think a lot of people end up trying to justify कि वो perform कर रहे हैं live, वो lip sync करते हैं, which doesn't make any sense to me. कि अगर क्योंकि आप कैसे गा सकते हो? It's not even possible ना कि आप एक layer भी आप दूसरी layer भी उसके ऊपर कैसे? That's not possible, and that's why he does that. He does that for all his lives. I've seen कि वो हमेशा अपना mic दूर कर देता है, and he would probably, if he's not singing it, he would never pretend to sing on mic. So I like that about it, and this is one of my favorite songs from the album Delight.
मुझे इसकी एंड भी बहुत अच्छी लगी. मतलब ऐसे एंटर हुए पूरे उसी रूम पे जो भी किया,
और वो लाइट वाला वो जो है
वही ना, मतलब
like even though it's supposed to be just a live video and there's not supposed to be much happening, but they make it so aesthetically beautiful ना कि आपकी नजरें नहीं हटती. एक बार हम दोबारा ये गाना देखेंगे, इस बार सब टाइटल्स के साथ. मैंने कभी इस गाने के लिरिक्स के वो नहीं देखा है कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग, सो इवन आई डोंट नो. पहले मैं देख लेती हूँ कि इंग्लिश लिरिक्स हैं कि कोई और भाषा है. कोरियन है क्या यार?
कोई फायदा नहीं,
ऑटो जनरेटेड है, वो भी कोरियन है. सो लेट्स नॉट, बट वील हियर द सॉन्ग वंस मोर. दिस इज कॉल्ड लव अगेन. And I think Baekhyun has got a very like most of his personal music, his solo work talks about love.
हाँ
है ना? Baekhyun का प्यार कौन है हमें पता करना है. But I think I would want him to find a good person, and because I think he would make a good partner. मतलब he would be somebody who would make you laugh, who would be with you all the time, like who would care for you. क्योंकि जितना मैंने अभी तक उसको, I think I've seen more of him in Super M than EXO, because हमारा first interaction through Super M आया था. and I've seen him caring for the ones. Matlab, even though he's funny and all, he's also very caring. Whenever, like, especially with Lucas and Ten, because they are non-Korean speaking members, he makes sure that they get enough opportunity. I think Benita ने नहीं देखा, but I've seen this. एक YouTube live था wherein they were like every time the MV used to release, they used to do a YouTube live. तो ऐसे करके एक YouTube live था, तो उसमें टास्क था, 1 घंटे का YouTube लाइव था, तो उसमें एक टास्क था कि everyone got a different chit and each chit had a similar content in different languages, जैसे Japanese, German, but Korean में written, so you had to read it. So Lucas को जो मिली थी chit, वो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट कोई कुछ था, तो ही मेड श्योर कि वो ऐसे वो उसके साथ साथ पढ़ रहा था, एंड ही मेड श्योर कि लूकस फिनिश्ड इट, बट देन ही गॉट हिज ओन रॉन्ग because he was so busy, because everyone was preparing their own, so he was helping Lucas, and then he got his own wrong, and then they had to redo it all. But matlab, I feel that he's that kind of a person that would make a great partner, life partner. So I hope he finds a good person to be with. Are you ready, Benita?
Yes.
Let's watch it again. Love again, once again. मुझे एसएन की वीडियोस में ना ये भी अच्छा लगता है कि they are aesthetically very nice, even though sometimes they can be very small in scale.
ऐसा लगा सारा कुछ है नहीं,
जैसे मतलब लाइक कि एक स्टूडियो ही है बस.
다시 한번 내게 말해줘 다시 그날처럼 사랑한다고 해줘 믿을 수 없었지 너의 모든 것을 Looking in the mirror 닮아있던 우리 사랑을 말해주던 그 예쁜 입술이 꼭 잠궈진 듯 아무 말 없네 난 이해가 안 돼 마음으로는 왜 널 사랑한다 해놓고 더 도망치려 해 우리 사랑의 race 끝날 수 없게 왜 지금 돌아서면 다시 돌아갈 수 없다고 해 다시 한번 내게 말해줘 나를 사랑한다고 해줘 Don't leave me alone baby Just for the night baby
यहाँ पे कैंडी की वो पड़ी है.
하지 않겠다고 말해줘 Tell me you love again Come back to me again Tell me you love again Come back to me again Yeah
जैसे यहाँ पे बस स्विच.
너가 채워주던 내 모든 것들이 다 이상 마치 벌레 그 기억들로 가득해 전부 여전히 나는 그대로인데 이해가 안돼 마음으로는 왜 널 사랑한다 해놓고도 도망치려 해 우리 사랑의 race 끝날 수 없게 돼 지금 돌아서면 다시 돌아갈 수 없다고 해 다시 한번 내게 말해줘 나를 사랑한다고 해줘 Don't let me alone baby Just stay for the night baby Yeah 날 떠나지 않겠다고 말해줘 Tell me you love again Come back to me
जैसे यहाँ पे
again
बिल्कुल लगा स्टेज.
Come back to me again
अचानक ही बिल्कुल
Oh yeah.
Baekhyun is as always great. मुझे लगता है कि मतलब when it comes to expressing love, I think he is probably the best person out there. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बैक्यून को किसी से प्यार तो है, क्योंकि उसके गानों में मतलब even मैं
मतलब उसके फेस से भी पता लगता है और उसके
मतलब he feels that emotion, like it comes out in his voice as well as his expressions, and मतलब there's a lot of feeling to his music. It's not just कि वो अच्छा गा रहा है, वो फील वाले गा रहा है,
फील लेके गा रहा है.
हाँ, which makes it इस लेवल से उस लेवल तक लेके जाता है गाने को. And I'm impressed. I'm always impressed. Baekhyun doesn't need to do much to impress me. नहीं, but I don't like. I think this channel exists because of Baekhyun. Because मुझे Baekhyun बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया था, फिर मैंने भी नहीं था कन्विंस किया कि हम चैनल बनाएंगे. तो Baekhyun is probably one of the major reasons that we have Asia for India. And I think कल वो दिन है जिस दिन आप so by the time you guys watch this, it would be a day before Baekhyun leaves. Tomorrow Baekhyun is going to enlist. फिर 18 महीने बिना कोई नए कंटेंट के जीना पड़ेगा, which is going to be tough. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या करूँगी. You guys can let me know. We'll catch up on all the past work that he's done and that we have missed out on. I'm pretty sure there's a ton of it out there. Let us know what all should we be watching. But we'll continue our Baekhyun week until 9th. So there's a lot of content coming your way, guys. Don't be worried. We'll keep reacting to Baekhyun even in the days to follow. I think हमने EXO CBX देखेंगे, EXO देखेंगे, Super M देखेंगे, and then Baekhyun का solo work देखेंगे.
solo work और fun content.
SM के खुद के बहुत सारे वो होते हैं, like live shows and all. Baekhyun के stages होंगे. There's a lot out there.
3 months चले जाएंगे.
हाँ, कोई नहीं. We'll stay strong. So that's it for today, guys. This was Love Again, which is a beautiful, beautiful song. If you haven't seen this, go ahead and watch the original video. The link would be in the description. And let us know what other Baekhyun content is out there that we have not reacted to so far, and that's not in our plan. That's it, guys. Ciao. Ciao. Bye bye.